In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your story archives on your Facebook. So let's go to Facebook, and I'm going to go to the three bars at the top left-hand corner, and you just want to navigate to your settings. So let's go to settings and privacy, and then settings right below it. And from here, what you want to do is scroll down until you find your activity log, which is under your activity. And at the top, you should have an archive button here. So go to the archive button at the top of your page. And from here, you should have a story archive section. So go ahead and click story archives at the top left-hand corner. And this is going to show all of the stories that you've posted on your Facebook. Now, it doesn't matter if you post it from your Instagram and it's linked to your Facebook, or if you just post it from your Facebook, it's going to show up here. So all of those joint stories are going to show up here. So you can go through and edit them and delete them. You can save it as a reel. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to find all of the stories that you posted on Facebook as an archive, and it's real easy to get to. And that's